E como mai to 2-minute language lessons, the fun and easy way to teach your children or grandchildren common words and phrases in Spanish, French, German, and Hawaiian while they're young and language learning is easy for them. Today, we'll learn a common and useful word in Hawaiian, spoon. One way to say spoon in Hawaiian is puna. Say it slowly after me. Puna. Now say it a bit faster. Puna. Today's assignment is to say puna to your child at least 3 times. When you're setting or clearing the table, say the word puna every time you touch a spoon. And those of you that learned aya ihea in our other lesson can ask, aya ihea ke puna, and have your child point out the spoon. Be sure to say maikai when they get it right. If you like interacting with your child or grandchild in multiple languages by playing simple language games with them, please subscribe to my channel. By spending just 2 minutes each day learning one new word in one new language, you'll soon be speaking with your children in Spanish, French, German, and Hawaiian. And if you ever find you need some assistance in dealing with temper tantrums or meltdowns, click on this video for advice I gave my patients in my 33 years practicing as a family physician. Mahalo.